This review is of Simply Nature Broccoli Bites. They are gluten-free, only 3 ingredients, low saturated fat, no cholesterol, non-GMO, gluten-free. Wow. 7 grams of total fat. Okay. What else? Kosher. And here's how to heat them up. Okay, a bit of a blurb there. Free from over 125 artificial ingredients and preservatives. I thought preservatives were ingredients. Huh. Good Housekeeping nutritionist approved. It has a trivial amount of cholesterol because this is vegetarian, not vegan. 5 pieces have 7 grams of fat, of which half a gram is saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 260 milligrams of sodium, 14 grams of carbs, of which 3 are dietary fiber. 1 is sugars that are not added, and 2 grams of protein. And these are the ingredients. Potato-based. Let's give it a try. And they have cute shapes. Will you please help me by liking, subscribing, sharing, and even a short comment will help a lot to build this channel so I can do more reviews and even more expensive products. Thanks. So I guess this one would be a bear. Bits of broccoli in it. Fairly large ones, actually. And stars. And I think this is a T-Rex, although I'm really not. No, not T-Rex. Triceratops, I think. Maybe. Or maybe it's a rhino. I'm not really sure. Dinosaurs taste good. So yeah, these are pretty tasty. Definitely enjoy them. I think your kids will too. Cook them a little bit longer if you want them not to be kind of soggy, because we didn't cook ours quite long enough, so they are a bit... Well, we did have one casualty. This one got squished. Still tastes good. Still has broccoli in it. Well, I'm going to give these an 8. Afia, thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.